A cat. Hello, my name is Simon, and I'm a cat just like you. A cat? Said Lion. Don't be silly, dear boy. You can't be a cat because I'm a cat, and you are nothing like me at all. Cats have a mane and tuft at the end of their tail, and when they roar, everybody scrambles, for they, the kings, are the bits. A cat? Said Cheetah, but you're so short and cubby. Cats are tall and graceful creatures who run faster than all the animals in the world. You don't look like you can run very fast at all. A cat? Said Puma. That's a rictus. Cats live in the mountain. That's why people call us mountain lion. They leap far, jump high, and cat acts odd. I know fuzzy little rabbits that looked tuner than you. A cat? Cats are black, said Panther. They live in jungles and rainforests and sleep in trees. Have you ever seen a jungle? A cat? Said Tiger. That was very funny. You see, cats are very big and very strong and very orange. You are small and gray. You might be some kind of rat, but a cat. I don't think so. Simon was confused. Lion is the only one with a mane, he said. No one else is black like a panther or orange like a tiger. No one else can jump as high as a puma or can run as fast as a cheetah. How can you all be cats? Because we also have many things in common, said Lion. We have small, perky ears and flat noses, a long whisker and a long tail. We have sharp teeth and claws, and big eyes that can see in the dark. I do. So do I, said Simon. I have all of those things, only smaller. They all leaned in for a closer look. Ah, said Lion. Oh, said Puma. In a case, said Panther. It's very possible that, said Tiger. You're a cat, said Cheetah. So I'm a part of the family? Asked Simon. The big cat looked at one another. Yes, they all said together. And they spent the rest of the day pouncing and prowling, prancing and playing like cats of all sizes do.